Here are the active business models. Affiliate commission. This method is where most people start because it is the easiest to set up and the quickest to generate income. There are several existing platforms, such as ClickBank, where you can choose from thousands of existing products. The better products that are listed will have a special area where they offer affiliate tools such as advertising materials and text that you can use to promote the product. ClickBank will manage the relationship between you and the product creator or vendor. They will also give you a special link that you can use in your marketing to refer people to the product. When people click on your special link and complete the purchase of the product, you can receive a commission of up to 75% of the purchase price. Quite often the vendor will offer additional products at the point of purchase, called an upsell. If the customer also purchases the upsell product, you will receive additional commissions. Methods of selling these affiliate products range from publishing a single landing page to writing a complete review of the product in the form of an article. Open a free ClickBank account now at clickbank.com. Selling products that you create. The most profitable way to make money online is to create your own products and sell them through your website, social media, and the various platforms such as ClickBank and Amazon. One of the most popular products that people sell online are information products, digital ebooks that can be sold as PDF or Kindle. You will, however, need two vital things. Firstly, you will need to have a specialist knowledge or be able to research online to put the information together. Secondly, you will need to have the ability to write and lay out this information in an easy-to-read and understandable form. You can create information products in a word processing program and save them as PDFs, which can then be downloaded from your website after payment through a payment processor such as PayPal. Once you have your word processing document properly formatted, you can also upload it to Amazon KDP, which means Kindle Direct Publishing, so that your ebook can be sold as an Amazon digital publication. Once you open a KDP account, you will then notice that you can also reformat your book so that it can be sold as a paperback or even a hardback book that are only printed when an order has been received. Here is the link, kdp.amazon.com. The other type of digital product you can sell online is some type of software or application. If you have the skills to create these types of products, that's all very good, but if you don't have the skills, it is quite possible for you to come up with the idea and then pay an outsourced contractor to create the product for you under your supervision. Outsourcing link, upwork.com. Of course, if you have the skills and equipment, you could also sell physical products that you manufacture yourself and sell through your website. Ideal product types will be specialist items that cannot be found in normal shops. For instance, products using very natural ingredients. Sell PLR or resale rights. If you have the ability and interest in creating content and fully packaged digital products, it is quite possible for you to be able to supply them on a one-off basis or as part of a membership site to your customers. You would give your customers certain rights to reuse your content or the products you create. There are three primary rights that you may offer your customers. PLR, which means private label rights. This gives your customers the most freedoms, as they can take the content you provide and can use it in any way that they would like, including claiming that they created the content, or they can rebrand it to make it unique. RR, which means resale rights. Generally, with these rights, you would allow customers to resell your content or your product. They would not be allowed to change the content or the product in any way. When they resell your product, they would keep all the income they created for themselves. The other restrictions on a resale rights product would be that your customer is not allowed to sell the right of reselling the product to their customers. They can only sell the product for their customers' personal use. MRR, which means master resale rights. In this case, your customers would pay more in order to be given the rights to not only resell the product, but also to resell the right for the product to be sold again by their customers. You will see that this gives your customers the maximum number of rights and flexibility in their marketing. Although quite often there is a restriction relating to the changing of the main product, and it must not be given away free. Using this business model, you can either sell your content and products directly to the public, or you may be able to have them included in a catalog who would pay you to produce new content for them. You will see this model in action at idplr.com, where you can open a free account and obtain many free products to resell. Open a free account at idplr.com. Recurring membership subscriptions. This is a potentially lucrative business model where you build up a number of members of your website that pay you a small fee per month. For this to work, you need to be supplying them with either access to some special software, an online service, or specialist content that they can use to improve their own businesses or knowledge. As you may imagine, the products or services that you offer need to have some element of uniqueness for people to continue paying for the service monthly. People will generally pay for products and services that will save them time and make them more efficient. This may be by providing ready-made content that they can reuse, or software that automates functions such as social media posts. It is essential that you provide a high quality and consistent service to your members in order to keep your subscriptions rolling in. Selling physical products. Normally, the focus for an online business is to be selling digital products, but this does not always have to be the case. There are now several companies that will allow you to promote physical products. They will then deliver them to your customers if you promote and sell them. This is called drop shipping, and the major benefit is that you don't have to physically hold the stock yourself. You don't even need to deal with returns or guarantees, as this is normally handled by the drop shipping company itself. It's important to point out that you will only make a percentage profit. After the cost of the product itself, you will not earn the entire sales price. You will also find that drop shipping companies will work with a platform such as Amazon.com, so you are able to open up an Amazon seller account and pick products that Amazon already have in stock. This is called Amazon FBA, fulfilled by Amazon, where they handle storage, picking, packing, and delivery. A good place to start looking at suppliers and different products is Alibaba.com. Here are two useful links. Alibaba.com/dropshipsuppliers.html, services.amazon.com/fulfillment-by-amazon/benefits.html. Conclusion. You can see by using creativity and employing one, or even several, of these business models, you can monetize your online presence. My advice would be to start with one business model that appeals to you the most, and completely master it before employing the next model.